Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, David Heroic. So today, I will be taking us through on how to get your TIN number in Nigeria, TIN certificate in Nigeria. So many people, before they get their TIN, they face the issue of, paying someone to, some go as well to the extent of paying 5,000, 3,000 or more to get their TIN number. So, or some go to the through the stress of leaving their home, the comfort of their home to go get their TIN number. Whereas you can just get your TIN number online. So one thing you have to do is make sure you're always conversant with your Google all the time. Now, TIN has their website whereby you can be able to get your TIN available, and you don't have any issue of getting your TIN because it will reach your inbox within the period of 12 hours. It might not be up to 12 hours because when I requested for mine, it was not up to 12 hours before I received my TIN number and certificate into my email. So one thing you have to do is go to their website. If you don't have, I'll put the link of the website in my description as well. But a very simple thing, just go online, just search uh SIN verification or TIN registration, TIN registration Nigeria. Now once you search TIN registration, it will bring up their website, which is TIN registration, which is jtbgov.ng. So once you click that, it will direct you to their website directly. So which means you don't have any issue. Now, one thing you have to do is, so far you want to register for a thing for non-individual or for individual. So either of the two, probably for business or for your individual self. So you can just click on register for T, register for thing. So yeah, I think I click on no. So register, once you click on register for individual, it will request you. One thing you have to provide is your BVN. You have to provide your BVN, your date of birth, your first name and your last name. And once you search, for them to clarify to confirm if you don't have a TIN before. So once it is not available, then you will be able to go ahead to request for your TIN number. And once you request for your TIN number, if you want to verify your TIN, then you just come here. Once you enter your date of birth, you pick the option tax identification number, and then you paste your TIN number and you click I'm not a robot. Once your TIN number is available and certificate is available, because it will be emailed to you as well. So once it's emailed to you, then you click on search. Once you know your TIN number, for you to be able to know that your TIN is available on their portal, then once you click on search, then your identity will pop up on their portal. So which means your TIN number is verified already with the TIN Joint Tax Board already. So that's how you get your TIN number in Nigeria within few hours. So you don't have to pay anyone to get your TIN number. The only thing you have to do that can warrant payment is when you want to print out your certificate after they've sent you the certificate ID into your, because they will send, I'll attach a screenshot of the of how your email will look to this video as well, so that you can be able to see how the TI your email will look, and the PDF file of your TIN will be shared as well with you. So once it's shared with you and you know your TIN number, then you come and paste it here so that you'll be able to confirm if it is registered on your platform. And once you do that, then your TIN number is good to go. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, David Heroic. Bye.